Yes, hello mga boy, mga sus, and welcome back to my vlog and welcome back to my channel. Today, ang event natin is birthday ni Kuya Jom. Happy birthday! For the fourth time. Particular reason. So, ano masasabi mo? Nasa fourth time na tayo. Ay, hindi. Pangilan mo na to? Third, ikaw. Pangalawa pa lang. So, masasabi nyo na finally, nakabalik tayo ng Puerto Galera. Wala pa nga. Nasa fourth pa lang. How was it?
Sakto lang.
Sakto.
Parang it's a bit
Cute mo dyan, Teo.
Taray.
Hello, pumapapala ka dyan. Hello, jowa tigs. Wow!
Gutom na ba kayo?
Bubukan niyo natin.
Go lang na, ituloy mo.
Gutom na ba kayo? Eto.
Check. Outfit check. Pak. Ukay-ukay. Nagawin ba yun? Daan-daan.
Yung gaganon o. Ganyan nga ito eh.
Mamaya. Baka lang mo pa. Hindi ka ganyan. Bakla.
Uy, ganun nga.
Bakla. Pwede mo yun.
Kasya nga yung team.
Mahayop ka yung cellphone ko. Ayan, life update. And now we're here na sa aming room. So, itour namin kayo sa aming room. So, actually, wala mang sobrang special dito. We have one aircon and we have one CR lang. At sarado pa ata ay magbukas. Tapos dito sa kabila, yung another quarter. Ayan! Ito yung room nila. Ayan! Gaga, walang ganon! Sa vlog to! Baka maano? Baka ma-demonetize. Ay, hindi ganon! Ayan, yan sila. Tapos ito kami, ganon lang.
A few moments later.
So, yun na nga guys. So, dito kami ngayon sa kwarto namin. And actually, nagpe-prepare kami ng mga gamit for birthday surprise. Napapakita ko sa inyo ang isa sa pinakamagandang lagayan ng mga balloons pag magka-surprise kayo. Ito yung secret door mo talaga. Social, yung talagang hindi mo maiisip na dito mo ilalagay. Tapos kailan nakatago dito yung mga balloons. Ayan! Ito-tour ko kayo dito. Ayan. So, ayan yung mga balloons. Like, hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan siya pag napanood ko ito. Nasa CR yung mga balloons, dirty. Sorry, Kuya Joms, pero kailangan namin gawin niya para matago namin sa'yo.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Dahil dyan, ito yung receipt. Chanes! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So for tonight, ayan, so magkata kami ngayon for dinner and then maglalamas ng mga bakla. So, yes. Hanapin muna namin yung sleeper kasi nawawala yung sleeper ni Ray. Hanapin muna namin siya dito.
A few moments later.
Hindi po. Ayan, pag-birthday ni Michael, ma-post ka niya sa... Ay, magkano ko sa 27,000 followers. Uy, hindi.
A few moments later.
Shining like a
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
5 hours later. A few moments later.
Now, we're back here in our room. So, tatapos na namin kumain ng dinner. And hindi ko na napakita sa inyo mga other things na nangyari dito because I'm really enjoying it. And of course, nakakatamad mag-vlog. Papahinga na lang talaga kami. Tapos tomorrow, bili ng souvenirs or something like that. Yeah.
And the answers are all up to me. There isn't one moment I will be eternity.
Alam mo ano sabi mo? Wala yan.
For everything to taste the sweet, I face the pain. I rise and fall one moment in time. When a world that I thought I could leave me one moment in time. And it's me. Wow. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can be this together. Standing strong forever. Nothing can stop us. And if this world's another lovers, we still have each other. Nothing gonna stop us. Nothing gonna stop us. Now I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take you to the good times, see you through the bad times. Whatever it takes, what I'm gonna do. Build you together, standing strong forever. Nothing gonna stop us now. And in this world of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing gonna stop us. Nothing gonna stop us now.
Today is our last day here in Puerto Galera, and what we're doing right now is, ayan, so magpapapicture kami dito sa sand. we're able to back here for the fourth time. Yes. And of course, together with Ate Clarissa and Andrew. Later on, uwi na rin kami kasi by 12, kailangan wala na kami sa amin. Transient ba tawag yun? Transient house. Ang tarap! Ang tarap-tarap!
Pak, sobrang Latina. Ang sarap. Putang.
Let's go na! Check!
Look at the camera. Ready? 1, 2. Finger heart. 1, 2, 3. Happy kaibigan. Oh, happy. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Jollibee. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2. Already 1, 2, 3. Hello, may couple ba sa inyo? Couple? Hello, may couple ba sa inyo? Couple? Couple? Couple. Couple. Yan, ako. Ayos to. Natuka to. Pwede solo-solo.
Wala akong couple eh. Ano gagawin ko?
Solo na lang ako, solo.
Sige. Go. Ay, marami ng kumis dyan.
Yes, busoksu.
Hello ka sa camera. Yan. Okay. Okay na po sa 1, 2. 1, 2. Gote, Jubo.
Bate!
Tarap na lang.
Tarap!
1, 2, 3. Makdo. 1, 2. Tinginan. Ayun. Next. 2. Next.
Dali.
Ayos na daw, sister.
Wow.
Makdo. Usok. Kiss. 1, 2.
What can you say about... Yung wallet ko! Guys, I bought this t-shirt from Puerto Galera. Dahil may pagbibigyan akong someone. I bought medium size dahil yung large ay medyo malaki sa kanya. Time to pay! Yung mga iba naming ginawa dito sa Puerto Galera is hindi ko na talaga siya nasushoot. To be honest, ako yung vlogger talaga na tamad mag-vlog at mag-video. Una sa lahat kasi nakakatamad mag-edit. Gusto ko mag-vlog pero at the same time gusto kong i-enjoy yung moment. Kasi syempre, work tayo for kakainin yung buhok. Hi Kuya Ian. Thank you so much. Kasi natin buhok ko. Init! Tayong init! This is the reason why we're here because it's Kuya Jom's birthday. Happy birthday Kuya Jom. We're very lucky to have friends like Kuya Jom. Thank you so much. And happy birthday again. Here's my childhood friend na sobrang sarap! Ang sarap! Ayun na guys, let's do the outro. But before that, let me give you some I think motivational things or quotation or basta life message ganon. It's very important for us people to always make time for ourselves, to take time for rest because we've been so very busy, stressed, and sometimes we experience depression because of the problems that really happening. Let's enjoy the life because life is too short. If you have this kind of opportunity, then do it. Basta, may pera kayo, punta kayo dito. Go na. Bye-bye. Subscribe kayo.